Hi guys, this is Art Secrets and Rises of the Philippines, and for today's video, we'll be talking about 10 Filipino and Cebuano Bisaya phrases you should learn before dating a Filipina. If you're a foreign man who's serious about connecting with a Filipina, not just casually dating, then this video will help you in ways you didn't imagine. Because learning just a few Filipino words can open your heart faster than any expensive gift. So make sure to stay till the end because you'll not only learn the translations, but also when and how to use them like a true gentleman in the Philippines. First on our list, I'm sorry. In Tagalog or Filipino, we say paumanhin. Paumanhin. In Cebuano Bisaya, we say pasaylo ako. Pasaylo ako. Pasaylo ako. You accidentally show up late for a date or you say something that might have hurt her feelings. Instead of brushing it off, say paumanhin with sincerity. Filipinos appreciate humility and accountability. A simple paumanhin can heal tension instantly. It shows you respect her emotions and understand Filipino values of hiya or modesty and pakikisama or harmony. Number 2 on the list, I love you. In Tagalog, we say mahal kita. Mahal kita. In Cebuano, we say gihigugmatika. Gihigugmatika. You've been dating for months and you're ready to express how you truly feel. When you look at her in the eyes and say, mahal kita or gihigugmatika, her heart will melt. Filipinos value emotional sincerity over grand gestures. Saying mahal kita or gihigugmatika is sacred. Don't say it too early. When you do, mean it. Third on our list, I miss you. In Tagalog, we say, ako'y nangungulila sa iyo. Ako'y nangungulila sa iyo. In Cebuano, we say, gimingaw ko nimo. Gimingaw ko nimo. You're in a long-distance relationship and video calling her before bed. Instead of just saying, I miss you, try saying, gimingaw ko nimo. She'll instantly smile because it's deeper, more heartfelt. Filipinos are very emotional when it comes to love. Using their language makes her feel secure and special, knowing you're making an effort for her culture. Number 4 on the list, I want to get to know you. In Tagalog, we say, gusto kitang makilala. Gusto kitang makilala. In Cebuano, we say, ganahan ko nga maila-ila tika. Ganahan ko nga maila-ila tika. If you just met her online or in person and you want to be respectful, this is the perfect phrase. Instead of jumping into romantic words, saying gusto kitang makilala shows sincerity and good intentions. Filipinos are cautious about foreign men moving too fast. Showing patience and genuine curiosity builds trust. It tells her you're not just after her looks. You value connection. Number 5 on the list. I am pleased to meet you. In Tagalog, we say, masaya akong makilala ka. Masaya akong makilala ka. Masaya akong makilala ka. In Cebuano, we say, malipayon kong nakaila ko nimo. Malipayon kong nakaila ko nimo. Malipayon kong nakaila ko nimo. You introduce your family or friends for the first time. Greet them with a smile and say, masaya akong makilala kayo. This instantly gives a good impression. Politeness and warmth are everything in Filipino culture. Filipinos value how you interact with their family, so learning this phrase shows respect and effort. Number 6, how old are you? In Tagalog, we say, ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? In Cebuano, we say, pila imong edad? Pila imong edad? Use this carefully. It's fine to ask casually when you're getting to know someone, but don't sound interrogative. You can say it playfully during small talk. Age gaps are common in the Philippines, but always show respect. Filipinos appreciate when foreign men don't judge or overemphasize age differences. Number 7, where are you from? In Tagalog, we say, taga saan ka? Taga saan ka? In Cebuano, we say, taga diin ka? Taga diin ka? Perfect for starting a conversation in person or online. Filipinas often ask this too, so returning the question in her language makes the interaction smoother and more engaging. Filipinas are proud of their hometowns. If she says, taga Cebu ko, or I'm from Cebu, you can follow up with, wow, I heard Cebuanas are very sweet. Instant charm. Number 8 on the list. How much is this? In Tagalog, we say, magkano ito? Magkano ito? In Cebuano, we say, pila ni? Pila ni? You're in a local market buying fruits or souvenirs. Vendors love it when foreigners try to speak the language. You'll often get better treatment and sometimes a discount. In the Philippines, friendliness goes a long way. Smile, speak respectfully, and don't haggle too aggressively. It's about connection, not confrontation. 9th on the list, let's eat. In Tagalog, we say, kain tayo. Kain tayo. In Cebuano, we say, mangaon ta. Mangaon ta. Before every meal, especially if you're with Filipinos, they'll say, kain tayo or mangaon ta, even if you're just passing by. This phrase shows Filipino hospitality. Even if it's not your food, replying with thank you or salamat is polite. Never ignore an invitation to eat. It's a sign of respect and friendliness. Number 10, God bless you. In Tagalog, we say, pagpalain ka ng Panginoon. Pagpalain ka ng Panginoon. In Cebuano, we say, kaluyan unta ka sa Ginoo. Kaluyan unta ka sa Ginoo. After a sweet message or when saying goodbye, Filipinas often say, God bless naturally. It reflects how deeply faith is part of our daily lives. Faith is at the heart of Filipino culture. Using this phrase shows that you respect her spirituality, and for many Filipinas, that's incredibly attractive. And here's our bonus sentence for today. I understand. In Tagalog, we say, naintindihan ko. Naintindihan ko. In Cebuano, we say, nakasabot ko. Nakasabot ko. When she opens up about her family or shares something emotional, saying naintindihan ko shows empathy, something that touches a Filipina's heart deeply. Filipinos value emotional understanding more than grand gestures. This phrase can turn a small misunderstanding into a moment of connection. So there you have it. 10 plus 1 bonus Filipino and Cebuano Bisaya phrases that will not only help you communicate, but also connect deeply with your Filipino partner. Remember, it's not just about the words you say, but the heart behind them. When you make an effort to learn her language, you're telling her, I care about you, your culture, and your world. That's what real connection is all about. And tell me in the comments, which Filipino or Cebuano Bisaya phrase was your favorite? Or maybe you want me to teach more in my next video. If you have not watched the pilot episode of this series, you can watch this video right here to learn 10 more Filipino and Cebuano Bisaya sentences. Once again, this is Heart Secrets and Rises of the Philippines, and I'll see you in my next video. Daghang salamat! Thank you very much, guys. See ya!